guys, and welcome to this vlog. So in this clip I am going into McDonald's with my mom, dad and my brother. If you're thinking, wow, you're a vegetarian, why are you going to McDonald's? I was thinking that. I was like, oh god, they're not going to sell vegetarian stuff in here, are they now? So it turns out they do veggie burgers, so I had one of those and it was really nice. And I love McDonald's chips. They're just like one of the best kind of chips, so you know. And then in this clip I'm going into Marks and Spencer's in Birmingham. I believe I was in Birmingham, I think. I was just recording some of the outside of it because the Christmas decorations up and it looked really pretty, so I was like just going into Marks and Spencer's with my parents. Very good shot of these. I'm sorry. And when I went in there, I was like, whoa! Look at all these Christmas decorations. It's so awesome. Going up the escalator, and I didn't film anything else. I didn't really do much else. Then after that, really, just went round upstairs and Marks and Spencer's. And now this clip is when I'm at the Bonfire. I'm just filming and I'm just getting some nice donuts. Man, they were so good. I love nice warm donuts with sugar. And then we watched the fireworks, and here's some clips of this. If you're really interested, there's a full clip on my second channel, though I didn't film all of it because it's just one of those moments you just want to really enjoy. You don't really want to stand there filming the whole thing.
See me, give me that some pounds. Cause everybody wanna hear that OG. I smoke that shit and get high, low key. What are you waiting for? Cause this is happening. Yeah, this is happening.
I hope you enjoyed that. I did really nothing else. I just went home after the fireworks and just went on my laptop. Not much else, and then I went to sleep. So yeah. After the fireworks, I did nothing else, so, and I did not edit this vlog yesterday. I kind of couldn't be bothered, so I was like, just gonna chill on the internet, my laptop, basically. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's basically what I did on Sunday the 8th of November, and I just randomly vlogged it. And this is kind of different to my other vlogs I do, and it's a bit shorter. I might vlog like this more often. I went to see fireworks in Birmingham. So if you were wondering, I went to see them in Birmingham because I was basically in Birmingham, I believe. And I hope you had a good bonfire night if you celebrate it. Americans, I hope you have a good Thanksgiving. We don't celebrate that, so yeah. And that's coming up for you guys. Bye! Hope you have a nice day. Quiet background, it could be Payo. I can't. Bye.